AI Workshop back. Today I'm testing my alternator with a multimeter. Turn it on, you set it to DC 20. Alright, when you positive, negative. Okay. When you test the battery, it should be about 12.5, 12.6. What you see there. Okay. Now when I start it, it should go up to about 14.2, 14.1, 14.2, and that's telling me that my alternator is working. Start it here. See, 14.2. So that's telling me my alternator is working just fine. Now I'm going to show you another vehicle that has a bad alternator. Now here's the vehicle with a bad alternator. See, it's 11.7. The battery is low, so let me start it. It should go up. If it don't go up, then it means your alternator is bad. 11, 12. It should be at 14.1, 14.2. So the alternator is going out. So that's how you tell if your alternator is bad.